Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decor Inspo. Have you ever looked at leftover pieces of wood? Those scrap from old projects or even just some discard planks and wonderful if they could be more than just trash. Well, they can. Today we are going to talk about turning those forgotten bits of wooden into beautiful modern wall arts. It's a fantastic way to recycle, save money, and add a unique touch to your home. So, why use scrap wood? First, it's eco friendly. You are giving new life to materials that might otherwise end up in a landfill. Second, it's cost effective. You are probably using wood you already have or can get for very little. And third, every piece of scrap wood is different, which means your art will always be one of a kind. No two pieces will ever be exactly alike. Geometric patterns. Let's start with geometric patterns. This is super popular right now. Imagine talking different sized and shaped pieces of scrap wood. Think rectangles, squares, or even triangles. You can cut them to specific sizes or use them as they are. Then you arrange them together on a large backing board. You can leave them the wood natural for a rustic look or paint individual pieces in different colors to create a bold modern design. Think about a pattern of wearing wood stones or even a checkerboard of natural wood and a bright accent color. It's like putting together a puzzle, but the result is a stunning piece of art. Abstract textures. Next up, abstract textures. This is where you can really get attractive instead of precious shapes. Think about layering different thickness of wood or even using wood with interesting grains or imperfections. You can glue small pieces onto a base in an overlapping organic way to create leaves and shadow, trying sanding some pieces smooth and leaving others rough. You can also stain different pieces with various wood stains to create a range of natural color. It's less about a perfect pattern and more about the feel and visual interest. The wood creates linear and striped design for a simpler, more minimalist looks. Consider linear or striped design. These involve cutting your scrap wood into long, thin strips. You can then arrange these strips vertically or horizontally on a backing. The beauty here comes from the repetitions and the natural variations in the wood grains. You can mix different types of wood or even paint a few strips or contrasting colors to break up the patterns. The styles work wonderfully in modern homes because of its clean lines and understated elegance. Tips for getting started. Ready to try it yourself? Here's are a few quick tips. Safety first. Always wear safety glasses when cutting wood. Gather scrapping your scrap. Look for wood around your home, house, or ask friend and family if they have any leftover pieces. Clean your wood and give your scrap a good wipe down to remove any dirt or dust. Think about your space. Consider when the art will go and what colors of styles would best fit or your room. Don't be afraid to experiment. Uh, there are no rule when it comes to art. Conclusion: unleash or your creativity. Turning scrap wood into modern wall art is the rewarding project. It allows you to transform forgotten material into something. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Bye bye.